Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the dark theme on your Android phone. So here, what you need to do is open the settings on your Android, and then you can find the display and brightness options. Tap on that, and in here you can just see there will be this dark theme, because you can see that my theme on my phone is currently on the dark theme. And if you want to turn it off, you can just click on a circle in here, and here you can turn it off by clicking on the circle. Now your theme will be changed into the light theme or light mode. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.